Rule 1110, Prosecution of Offense, specifically as how criminal case is initiated and who may initiate it, the, the purpose and the importance of Rule 1110 by requiring their detailed complaint or information. It helps to protect the accused rights to be informed of the charges, allowing them to prepare an adequate defense. And also this role is fundamental of criminal procedure as it establishes the processes and protection necessary to carry out criminal prosecution. Next is Rule 111, Prosecution of Civil Action. It outlines how civil liability arising from a criminal offense can be claimed and when this action can be filed together or separately. This role is important in balancing the rights of the offended party to pursue compensation with the sufficient handling of legal proceeding. By providing mechanism for joint or separate action, it allows the legal process to accommodate uh, various needs and circumstances while safeguarding the rights of both parties. Next is Rule 112, which is a preliminary investigation. Rule 112, which is a preliminary investigation, which is an inquiry conducted before the filing of a criminal case in the court. The purpose of PI is to determine whether a the purpose of PI is to determine whether there is a probable cause to believe that a crime has been committed and that the accused is likely responsible. It is a key step in criminal procedure, processing the processing the processing that aims to protect innocent individuals from unnecessary prosecution and ensure that only cases with sufficient evidence go to trial. Next is the Rule 113, which is arrest. It is taking person into custody to ensure that the answer for a criminal offense. It can be involved the use of physical restraint if necessary. Although the laws provides I prioritize a respectful approach to both to, to taking someone into custody. It also established a structured process for um, arresting individuals while protecting both public safety and individuals' rights. It balances the need for effective law enforcement with the due process protection, ensuring that arrests are made lawfully and responsibly in line with constitutional rights. And lastly is the Rule 114, which is the bail. Bail, it is a security given by the accused to ensure their appearance in court when required. Bail also balances the accused's right to freedom with state's interest, ensuring the justice and protecting public safety. It also a system that it is also a system that it creates a system that makes the bail accessible to most accused person while establishing the safeguard for serious cases, ensuring that detention before trial is fair, just, and reasonable.